for a ride. I'm gonna try to say words while I burp. First one, yup.
Yup.
Second one, hi. Third one, okay.
Okay.
Oh, damn it. Redo.
Okay.
Why am I like this? Final bonus round, biggest burp I can do. Let it bubble.
Yeah.
Thank you, that is all.
Goodbye.
That was goodbye. Sorry, this video was trash, and have a good day.
All right, cheers.
No.
Hayır ya. Bana. Don't.
Ew.
Bollocks.
I'm just waiting for it.
Like, wait for it. Okay.
Don't.
In this case. So yes, look at the facts. Now with the panel guy,
I think my stomach vibrated.
the 2020. It's over because there are more questions I think that need to be asked and answered. Far more
Ew. Yeah.
against Biden than
Ew.
there ever was against
That was potato.
Jesus freaking Christ.
Sorry.
Shut up your face.
It's something. There you go. That's it. Yeah. That's really cute. I like it.
You wanna go? Let's go. Give me a second. I'm not gonna go up on screen again because, like, that's just, I don't like that lip and smacking mouth sound I do. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Anyway, give me a second. Alright, to prefix if I puke, I'm sorry. Whew! Tastes like wine. Alright, that was me. Let's go, Ziggy. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I haven't eaten today.
Party.
It didn't work. Hey, Zeddy. Wait.
Party.
Oi. Now I need to eat something. It's just so airy. Ooh, not like that. It don't taste like nothing. Put the blinker on because I'm trying to make a left turn. You know, somebody posted on one of my videos saying you're close to farting. No! I will not do it. I will not fart on command in a video. I might fart accidentally because I've done that twice. I have 2 videos on here where I've accidentally little toot toot in the video. Try to find them at the area. They're really cute.
Evan. So, out here, I mean, out there.
Oh, that was better than I could have expected it to be. God damn it. Thank you for 1,000 again, guys. I appreciate it very much. There's this guy behind me that honked at the last light we were at as soon as it turned green, and I went to see what kind of person he is, and he is a Hulk Hogan mustache bandana wearing motherfucker, rainbow tinted glasses bitch in a big ass GMC truck. Can we all say that we're surprised? No. No, we ain't. Why? Because he looks like a bitch. Sorry if that's your aesthetic. I'm just road raging hard. That was him. He a dick. That's all I'm gonna say. He might be having a bad day and that's fine. He just ruined my mood. But I'm gonna get Taco Bell, so now it's gonna be okay. Bye. Thanks for 1,000 followers, guys. I'll keep up the burp content, I guess. Whatever.
Not enough ping ping to pow pow.
What'd you say? That's what I thought, bitches. Wow. Oh.
Part 2.
There we go.
Burping contest. My stomach. Shut up. Wait. Oh, that was throw up. Alright. Alright guys, comment who you think was the best.